Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing the unboxing and first look of the Redmi Note 7s. The Redmi Note 7s written on the both side of the box, and at the back side you will find some specification of this phone and also some other details. Okay guys, so now let's break this seal. And also this one. Okay, so let's open up the box. Opening up the box, we have another section in which you will find some paperwork, a TPU case for protecting your phone from getting scratches. It's good that it is included in the box. And inside this you will find a SIM ejector tool. Let's check out the Redmi Note 7s. And for now I'm gonna keep this one aside for a few seconds and let's see what else we get in the box. We get a 5V and 2A which is a 10W charger and a USB to USB Type-C cable. And it's great that we are getting a Type-C in this budget smartphone. Let's remove this plastic from the front. And also the sticker from the back side so you can see the phone more clearly. And as you can see the design of the phone, and the design looks very identical to the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and this is a ruby red color and there's two more colors, sapphire blue and onyx black. Now I'm gonna boot this phone and let's have a quick physical overview of this phone. On the right side there's a power button and volume rockers, and a SIM card slot on the left side. On the bottom there's a microphone, Type-C charging port and a speaker grill. On the top there's a secondary microphone, headphone jack and a IR blaster. On the back there's a 48 megapixel dual camera setup with an aperture of f1.8. a LED flashlight and a fingerprint sensor. On the bottom you will see Redmi branding. It has a dot notch display with a 13 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.0. The display looks very good and also it's very smooth. It has a 6.3 inch Full HD Plus display with an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. And the display is bright and sharp. And it has a dual Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the both sides, front and back. Talking about the software, it's running on Android version 9 with MIUI version 10.3 on top of it, and security patch update of the month of April. And this variant is a 3GB of RAM with 32GB of storage. And there's one more variant with 4GB of RAM with 64GB of storage. And the bezels are thick. As you can see, it's not very edge to edge display, but overall it's a good phone in this price segment. And this one comes with a Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor, which can easily handle all your apps and multitasking without any issues. Talking about the camera, it has a Samsung GM1 camera sensor. So let's take a quick photo. And when you take a photo with the normal camera app, you're taking a photo with a 12 megapixel. And it actually takes good photos with good details and contrast. To take a photo with a 48 megapixel camera, you'll need to enable that option by going in Pro mode and turn on 48 megapixel camera option from here. But the quality of the photo will not be great as compared to the Sony IMX586 sensor, which is a true 48 megapixel camera. And also it has this camera bump which is annoying sometimes because it will hit the camera lens when you put the phone on a flat surface, like on the table. The phone actually feels little heavy. It weighs about 186 grams, but it has a great fit when you hold the phone. The fingerprint sensor is fast. It unlocks the phone as soon as I touch the fingerprint sensor, and also the face unlock is quick. However, I don't recommend using the face unlock as it is not secure as fingerprint sensor, but it's very fast. This phone has 4000 mAh battery and supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 4, but the fast charger is not included in the box, so you have to buy it additionally if you want. And this phone comes with a hybrid SIM card tray, so you can use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and a microSD card. So this was the unboxing and first look at the Redmi Note 7s. Comment down below what you guys think about this phone. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And also follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.